बुधवारा प्रुडंटान गोयच्या मडगांव, वास्को, थिवे या मुखेल रेल्वे स्टेशनांचेर कोरोनाचे खबरदारीक पॅसेंजरांचे स्क्रीनिंगाची कसलीच व्यवस्था ना म्हूण रिपोर्ट केल्लो। प्रुडंटाच्या रिपोर्टा उपरांत सरकाराक मातशी जाग आयली। बुधवारा सकाळ सावन मडगांव रेल्वे स्टेशनाचेर तितले पॅसेंजरांचे थर्मल स्क्रीनिंग सुरू।
To fight against this corona, Konkan Railway has taken many initiatives. First of all, we have removed these curtains in the AC coaches. We have withdrawn the blankets being supplied to the passengers, and passengers are requested to get their own blankets if they require. And we will be regulating the temperature of the coaches to 25 degrees centigrade. And those are the guidelines received from the Railway Ministry. Then there is one helpline number 10722 which has been activated. So anybody who is having symptoms or feeling like he's being affected, then he can contact on this number. Necessary treatment would be given by Konkan Railway. They have put posters, banners indicating do's and don'ts regarding corona. Then we have started sanitizing coaches, then workplaces like commercial ticket counters, then reservation counters, then escalator. We have started disinfection of this. Then including coaches, those coaches of the trains which are being maintained by Konkan Railway and owned by Konkan Railway, those train coaches are getting disinfected in our maintenance pit line at Madgaon. Made arrangement of isolation wards. We have a community hall at Madgaon. There we have provided 10 beds. So in case anybody is tested positive or because at present we have started with a handgun, that's the infrared rays, to detect the temperature of a person. If that temperature is beyond 98, then there are chances that person is affected. So we are checking the passengers for their temperature. And for that purpose, we have provided an isolation ward. If anyone is detected, we will be keeping him over there and contacting state government authorities like Goa Medical College.
गोयची हेर दोन मुखेल रेल्वे स्टेशनां वास्को आनी थिये मात बुधवाराय परिस्थिती तशीच आशिल्ली। थंयची व्यवस्था सुदारिल्ली ना। सरकार आनी रेल्वे यंत्रणा अजून सुस्त। ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट।